AgFiniti and SMS users can link their AgFiniti account to third-party platforms, such as John Deere Operations Center, Climate Field View, and CNH Industrial. The benefit of creating these connections include having a central location to use and process information efficiently. Once connected, the files automatically sync to AgFiniti, adding the ability to view maps, create reports, and instantly analyze the files. Additionally, for SMS users, these third-party files can be easily synced into the SMS desktop software to use more advanced management and analysis tools. To begin, log into agfiniti.com. Under the User menu on the right, select Connections, then Connected Applications. On the Connections page, click Add Connection on the left. Under Available Connections, select the third-party application you would like to connect. Next, select how many years of data you would like to sync into your AgFiniti account. Then click Add. You will be directed to the third-party site selected, where you will enter your username and password to sign in. Once verified, you will automatically be returned to the Connections page of AgFiniti. Here you will see the new connection listed. This connection will be valid for 1 year, after which you will simply need to verify your credentials to continue the connection. If you are connecting with John Deere Operations Center, you will have the option to both download to AgFiniti or upload to John Deere. When downloading to AgFiniti, you will need to select which years of data to be synced. When uploading to John Deere Operations Center, you will need to choose which years of data, the organization, the data location from where the files will be uploaded, the manufacturer file formats, and the selected operations. Select Save. If you wish to remove a connection, simply select the connection and click Delete Connections. Files supported in AgFiniti are dependent on what the connected application supports. John Deere Operations Center supports files created by John Deere GreenStar 2 and newer displays, as well as prescription shapefiles. Climate Field View supports logged field data from Climate Field View Drive, any generation of prescription planting 2020 display, or third-party data manually uploaded to the data inbox. CNH supports Case IH Pro 600 or newer files, New Holland IntelliView 2 and newer files, and ISO XML and shapefiles. These files will automatically appear on the File Transfer page under My Files. Once the files sync to AgFiniti, they will be automatically processed for you to view maps, create summary and comparison reports, use the query tool, add notes, make a multi-year averages map, create variable rate prescriptions, and export setup files to your AgLeader display for variety tracking and data management use. You now know the steps to take to connect your AgFiniti account with third-party applications. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.